Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to recover your banned TikTok account and how to fix issues like warnings, account deletion, or missing live access in 2026. Let's get started. Open your browser and search TikTok Report a Problem form, or go to TikTok's official feedback form. Fill out the form like this: topic, account access, security, category, banned account, username, enter your TikTok username, contact email, add your active email. In additional details, write this: Hi TikTok team, my account was banned by mistake. I believe I didn't violate any guidelines. Kindly review and help me recover it. Thank you. If you have any screenshots of the warning or error, upload them as attachments. Then hit submit. That's it. Stay patient. TikTok usually responds within a few days. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more helpful tutorials.